thought the two-stroke era was over? Think again. The 2026 Yamaha YZ125 is here to prove that lightweight, affordable motocross bikes still have a place on the track. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, where we break down everything you need to know about the latest rides. Design. Yamaha keeps things classic with the YZ125, but don't mistake tradition for outdated. The 2026 model features aggressive bodywork with sharp lines and that iconic Yamaha blue plastics. The bike maintains its slim profile, making it perfect for younger riders or those who prefer a nimble feel. The graphics are modern and bold, giving it a fresh look while honoring the YZ legacy. Performance. Under the skin sits the beloved 124cc two-stroke engine, and it still rips. This power plant delivers instant throttle response and that distinctive ring-ding sound we all love. The power delivery is smooth yet aggressive, making it ideal for track riding and skill development. The lightweight chassis keep the bike flickable and easy to maneuver through tight sections. Features and technology. The 2026 model comes with upgraded suspension components that handle bumps with confidence. The adjustable forks and rear shock let you dial in your setup for any track condition. Yamaha's kept the maintenance simple too, which is perfect for riders who rent their own bikes. Conclusion. That's the 2026 Yamaha YZ125. What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this review helpful, smash that like button, share it with your riding buddies, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more content. See you on the next one.